Hello, seniors. My name is Ms. Prosnick. I'm the College and Career Advisor here at Northgate High School. And in this video, I wanted to go over how to connect Naviance with your Common App. If you're applying to a school that uses the Common App as their application portal, it's important that we go through these couple of steps so that our Naviance system communicates with the Common App portal so that everything that you need gets to its proper destination. What goes through will be your letters of rec. So if any schools that you're applying through the Common App need a letter of recommendation, you're going to be putting that request in through Naviance, and it will be going from the Naviance system through the Common App to the school you're going to. Same thing with the counselor forms and the counselor's letter of recommendation. That will be processed on our end in Naviance, but then Naviance will need to communicate with Common App to send that information through the Common App to the schools that it needs to get to. So let me share my screen with you guys. All of this information that I'm going over right now can actually be found on my webpage. So from the Northgate High School main page, under resources, first off, there is that Naviance Clever login here. But you can also go to the College and Career Center page, again, Naviance login, go to college search, the college application, and if you scroll down, starting at pretty much 3, and then most of what I'm going into is number 4 here of how to make that connection. All right. One of the first things, though, that you definitely want to do is create an account in the Common App. So if you have not yet gone into the Common App and created your profile, please go ahead and do that. You can see that this is for my big profile here, and I have put in a bunch of different colleges. One of the first things you do going into the Common App is you're going to put in your information. I've put in our high school. We put in some basic information about your family. Fill out things as best as you can. And then if you have any questions, certainly let me know. I am adding on in here some of our more common, here we go, information to help you in the Common App. So you can find some of those answers there. Once you have put in our high school information and you've added some of your colleges, so you can just do a college search and add any of these colleges to your list of colleges. The next thing that you want to do is to go into the My Colleges tab. So now it shows all of those colleges that I have added, and you can choose any university in here. But what we really want is this Recommenders and Ferpa tab. When you go in here, it'll say, before we can invite counselors, teachers, any recommenders, you have to complete the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. FERPA is basically a law that says that nobody can release information about you without your consent. And in this case, to preserve the integrity of the entire system and to help things run smoothly, you are going to be giving your consent that letters of rec, you know, the school profile, the counselor forms can be sent from Naviance through the Common App to the schools that you're applying to without you reviewing them first. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. But so the first thing that you're going to do on this page, again, is talking about waiving your rights with FERPA. So I'm going to say, yes, I have read that. I am acknowledging that every place that I am applying to will need, so they can have that information. And I'm going to waive my right, or I'm approving that the teachers and the academic counselors can send the letters of rec without me seeing it through the portal system to the colleges that I'm applying to. And I'm going to say I understand that, and I'm going to sign it, Larry example, and put in today's date. So now that I have completed my FERPA release, you can now see all of the things that are required from the specific school. So at American, we just have that one teacher recommendation required. I'm going to pick on Baylor. I can go in here. My agreement's already been signed, so I don't have to do anything extra. I can see they don't require any letters of rec, but they will take up to 5. And you can go through and see for the different sites. Now that that has been done, I'm going to go into my Naviance account, and I am going to go over to the colleges tab. I'm going to click on home so I can get to the main page with all of the lovely options in here. I'm going to go to colleges I'm applying to, and up at the top, there's this pink bar that says match accounts. So I'm going to click on match accounts. I'm going to put in my email, and I have successfully matched all my accounts. And even better, it has populated, and not right now, if you can click yes and it gets you on their mailing list. And even better, it has populated everything here. So that is fabulous. So I've connected everything, and we are all set for the year. And you can see these are all Common App schools. If I need to add any more to my list, I will just go ahead and click here, and I will be able to add whatever school I'm looking to do. I won't do that right now. And that completes everything that needs to be done in order to connect Naviance and the Common App. So now that that is done, you can go and you can put in your requests for your letters of rec as needed. Please see our other video for that. You can let your academic counselors know that you're applying to the different schools. Check the deadlines in Naviance to make sure that that is accurately reflects the deadlines that you're trying to meet for all those different schools, so that again, the teachers and your academic counselors know by what deadline to submit those letters of rec. But that's it. So hopefully it's as easy when you try to do that. If you have any questions, let me know. And certainly you can always see that list of instructions again on my webpage. I hope this video has been helpful, and watch out for our other videos explaining more about the college application process.